Hey friends, if you wish to change Valorant account email ID or Riot email ID, then please watch this video. Now, one thing that I want you to know is that you cannot change the email ID for Valorant because Valorant is the game and Riot is the client. So you will have to change the email ID for your Riot account. Go to account.riotgames.com and on the list on the left hand side, go to personal information. Now you can change the email address here to say anything else, and then all you need to do is click on save and verify. Okay, it will send a verification email, and I am accepting this email through phone, so just wait for a minute and I'll show you what happens. Okay, I have just received this email and I have to click on this option to verify it. Wait, verify email. And once this is done, the new email ID will be verified, and then I can go to the Riot ID page and you will see that there is no verification notice and my email address is showing here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.